Ever wondered how cybersecurity professionals keep networks secure and organized? It all starts with subnetting. In this video, you'll learn the basics of subnetting, how it works, and why it's crucial in network security. What is subnetting? Subnetting is the process of dividing a large IP network into smaller, more manageable pieces called subnets. This helps control traffic, isolate threats, and improve overall network performance. For cybersecurity, subnetting helps contain cyber attacks and limits lateral movement inside the network. Key terms. To understand subnetting, let's define three key terms. IP address, a unique number that identifies a device on a network. For example, 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask, a 32-bit number that splits the IP into network and host portions. For example, 255, 255, 255, 0 or 24. CIDR notation, short for classless interdomain routing. It pairs an IP address with a slash and a number like 192.168.1.024. This means the first 24 bits are for the network and the rest are for devices. Why subnetting matters in cybersecurity? Subnetting enhances network segmentation, which limits the spread of malware or unauthorized access. If one subnet is compromised, attackers can't easily jump to another. This is a fundamental principle in modern network defense. It also helps in monitoring traffic, enforcing access controls, and creating safer DMZ zones or VLANs. How to subnet basic steps. Let's break down how subnetting works in 4 steps. These identify network needs. How many devices and subnets do you need? Choose a subnet mask. Pick based on how many IPs you need in each subnet. 3-DOP. Calculate subnet addresses. Use binary or subnet calculators to find network ranges. 4. Assign IPs to devices. Allocate addresses to routers, servers, and devices within each subnet. For example, with a 24 subnet 0, you get 254 usable IPs. A 26 subnet gives you only 62 usable IPs, but more subnets. Whether you are setting up a home lab or protecting enterprise infrastructure, mastering subnetting is a must have skill in cybersecurity. It empowers you to organize, isolate, and secure your digital environment. Want to learn more about networking for cybersecurity? Subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity tutorials.